Hello everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we will explain how to search for large files in Windows 10, so you can quickly find and manage files that are taking up too much space on your computer. Step 1. Open File Explorer and click on this PC to search for large files across all drives. This location allows Windows to scan your entire system instead of just one folder. Step 2. Click inside the search box at the top right corner of the File Explorer window. This search bar lets you apply filters to narrow down files by size and type. Step 3. Click on View from the top menu of File Explorer. This option controls how files and folders are displayed on your screen. Step 4. Click on Show and then select Hidden Items to make sure hidden files are visible. This is important because some large files may be hidden by default in Windows. Step 5. Click back on the search box to start searching for files by size. Selecting the search box again ensures the size filter works correctly. Step 6. Type size. Greater than 500 megabytes and press Enter to find files larger than 500 megabytes. This helps you quickly identify files that are consuming a lot of storage space. Step 7. Type size. Greater than 1 GB and press Enter to find files larger than 1 gigabyte. This is useful for locating very large files that you may want to delete or move. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips and fixes.